19-week, million a week. 5 shows made 3 million a week. Even now looking at the DC. Too bad you can't go in the best I'm
What's the deal? Welcome back to another video. Instagram, I'm back with another video. So I've been gone for a while. We're gonna ignore that because why won't we? Look, I downloaded from my kids. Okay. I just didn't have content ideas. I didn't know what to post. So, yeah. But anyways, in this video, I'm going to be on loyalty. So before we even get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, let's go. Oh. Yeah. I'm all done with that now, so I'm gonna go take a bath. I'll come back. I don't have anything to do today, mind you. No, I do. Yeah, I do. So I'm gonna take a bath and come right back. Okay. So I gotta do my hair because I'm gonna do my grandmother wig. I'm not looking in the camera. I'm gonna go wrong direction. Back. So I'm all done. I just didn't get the stars. Like it's almost done for the day. Look at that. I've been using so much. I don't know, it's anchor time. Anyway, so I just got done with that. I got some breakfast. I got pepper and bread. Like, before you cough me, like, oh, your pepper is supposed to be done. My grandmother really makes pepper, so okay. So I forgot to tell you guys that I decorated my room. I put like some posters and stuff. I think it looks cute, okay? But I put like these cute posters. Like basically, you can go on Pinterest and look at different like posters and stuff. So here's another pink because you can tell. I don't know what it is like. It's not what it is. But I look at these cute pictures. I didn't try some more because I didn't some more. This is cute. I really like some more. I don't know what to do with more. I'm going to try to decorate with this because I don't know. I think I'm just playing and stuff and do a whole lot of stuff. The last time I decorated this room, it was chaos. It was chaos. I didn't know what was going on. It's like everything was just in their own place, and it was like they were cramping up each other. It just looked cool. But now I'm trying to throw objects. Like it's so cute. I'm gonna put that somewhere. I'm gonna try to buy some flowers or some leaves to make it really good. I have to paint them. I'm gonna like something with this right there. And then it's so I don't know. It's even like I'm doing because I was just playing around with some flowers, right? Like from here to about there. And I told my mom because I was playing I want to get some stuff for like my table, like some mouse, like you know, those types of and I need a new mouse pad, like the mouse that I had, it ruined my table. But like, oh my god, the way I was gonna cry when I saw this, like, it literally ruined it. Like, there's no going back. I don't know if it's because I think the heat and at the bottom of the mat, I think it's rollers. I don't have no rollers, but it's the front of my table is not coming off. I tried to peel on it, I tried to do like a whole bunch of products, it's not coming off. So yeah, but okay, I don't know, just like an hour ago because I didn't finish the entire watching. So I don't know if I should conclude the video from here. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because I really did not know I was supposed to go out, but plans changed, so I'm not going anymore. So yeah. But if you like this video, oh, and I think I should start doing some back to school videos since school is coming up, bro. Like, be prepared for that. But yeah, and some school vlogs. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, send this video, share this video to a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend, and yeah, bye.